Hi everyone, welcome to our garden. Today we're going on an amazing adventure to see how a tiny egg transforms into a beautiful butterfly. It's called metamorphosis, and it's super cool. Our story begins with this tiny egg. It's laid on a leaf by a mama butterfly. It's so small you almost can't see it. After a few days, something amazing happens. The egg hatches and out crawls a tiny caterpillar. This hungry little guy has one main job: to eat. Munch, munch, munch. The caterpillar eats and eats and eats, growing bigger and bigger every day. It sheds its skin several times as it grows. Can you believe it? When the caterpillar is big enough, it finds a safe spot and builds a chrysalis around itself. It looks like it's sleeping, but something incredible is happening inside. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar is transforming. It's changing into a beautiful butterfly. This can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. Finally, the big day arrives. The chrysalis opens, and a beautiful butterfly emerges. Its wings are wet and crumpled, but they slowly dry and expand. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. It flits from flower to flower, sipping nectar and spreading pollen. It's a beautiful part of nature's cycle. So next time you see a butterfly, remember its amazing journey. From a tiny egg to a crawling caterpillar to a sleeping chrysalis, and finally, a beautiful flying butterfly. What's your favorite kind of butterfly? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.